Are you really serious about making money online? Well then this video is a must-see for you. The Wealthy Affiliate Program is a world-renowned affiliate marketing program that has been in existence for over a decade. The program is free to join, and you can get started within minutes of signing up. You will be given access to a wealth of training materials and support to help you succeed, which is crucial for your success. This means you can get the blueprint and guidance every step of the way. All you need to do is to put in the work. The program is suitable for anyone looking to start or grow an online business today. There are over 1.4 million members worldwide, and this number is growing daily. The community is very supportive, and there is a lot of help available if you need it. The program has been instrumental in helping people to build successful online businesses. If you are looking to start or grow an online business, then Wealthy Affiliate is the perfect place to start. Here are some of the benefits of the program. The Wealthy Affiliate Program is the most popular affiliate marketing training platform in the world. The program has helped people from all over the world to build successful online businesses. The training is easy to follow, and is suitable for people of all levels of experience. As mentioned before, there is a huge community of people who are willing to help and support you. This is so crucial for success, because so many just give up if they get stuck and don't understand. The program provides all the tools and resources you need to build a successful online business. The monthly membership fee is very reasonable, and especially considering you will be building a full-time business, and you can start for free. You can start earning money within a few weeks of joining the program. The program also has a great affiliate program that allows you to earn commission by promoting Wealthy Affiliate. Now it's up to you. You will succeed with the Wealthy Affiliate Program if you are willing to do the work. So click the link in the description for more information and access. Start today for free.